Hello, Akash. Can you make me co-host?
Akash, not Akash, he is also correcting. Actually, Rupa shared the link. I'm asking Rupa.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, madam. Fine. So I think for everyone, is my voice is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Fine. So I will share the notes to Revati madam through the WhatsApp. You can collect. So in the last class, we have seen the Django introduction as well virtual environment we have seen. And after that, installation of the Django. Okay. So, at the very first, we have to create what virtual environment we have to create. Okay. So, what is the command for that? Pip env shell. Automatically, left side, the virtual environment is created. So, inside the virtual environment only, we have to install what the Django. The command here it is what pip env install Django. Okay. Suppose if you are expecting some version, if you are working with the 2.5 version, so here you have to specify what the 2.5 you have to specify. Or suppose specifically you wanted to work with the 3.6, you can specify what the 3.6. If you are not specifying any version, which means what is the latest version? The latest version only is installing on your machine. Okay. So Django is what? Successful. Okay. And after that, so today what we are seeing, so we have to work with the inside the virtual environment only. Now we can see we have to work with the inside the virtual environment only means now we can see. So in the which class, in the last class, we have worked with the CBIT folder, right? So now we can see in the E drive, what is the folder CBIT? So just click type the CMD. Now we can see now virtual environment is not available. Now we can see if you type something ppnv shell, maybe it is creating another virtual environment. So here in the second day notes, I'm telling to you day two notes. Okay. So creating virtual environment, creating virtual env, added to that activating old virtual environment, activating old virtual env. The same code here it is available. You don't need to work with the latest command. So for creating the virtual environment as well activating the virtual environment, we have to use only one concept. Copy this, paste here. Same command, pip env shell. It will create the virtual environment. If it is already created, if you wanted to activate the old virtual environment, the same command, you can see here pip env shell. Just press enter. It is activating the old virtual environment. Now we can see it is not creating, it is launching directly environment. Now we can see the left side, we can see what the virtual environment. Fine. So this is the step one. Sorry. Step one. Okay. And after that, how to check Django is available or not. Okay. So in the last class, we have installed Django. Okay. Fine. In the last class, we have installed Django. How to check Django is installed or not? How to check Django is installed or not? Simple command. Okay. So go to the virtual environment location. Oh, this is already is available. So in this virtual environment, just type Django. D Django, just press enter. Okay. So D Django, you can specify what the version you can specify. D Django. In the last class, we have installed it or not? Yes, yes. The last class, I think we have installed. Let me check. Open with the notepad. Yes, Django is installed. So let me see the Django dash admin. Okay, fine. So we are getting something. Okay. So now we can see Django dash dash version. Django dash dash version. Okay, CLS. Okay. So here Django is installed in your machine or not. How you can check? Now we can say you can type Django uh, dash admin space version. Just press enter. Okay. So now we can see directly you will get the version, you will get what the 5.0. Okay. So which is the latest version. So this is a command we have to specify. So in this particular location, you have to enter a Django admin. What is the version is available 5.0. Okay. So now we can see the same location I will go without virtual environment. So now we can see I'm opening the same command prompt. You can see side by side I am opening. You can see. So E drive, CBIT folder, same CBIT folder. Okay. So now we can see. Okay. So here I just wanted to check what Django is available or not. You can see side by side. You can see. Hey Django dash admin version. You see here, Django is not recognized as internal or external command. Again, you can type with the small case also. Now we can see Django admin space dash version also you can specify. Now we can see Django is not available. The same command you can specify here Django admin space version. You can see the version you will get what the 5.0 you will get. You see, which means the left side, whatever you are seeing, right? Now we can see left side, whatever you are seeing, right? That is a virtual environment. So inside the virtual environment only Django you can access, you can do it. But now we can see on the same location, Django without virtual environment, you are not able to access what? Django. Okay. Now, so this is really not required just for to understanding I am teaching this. Now, now, if you are creating if you are installing Django, so automatically one file will be created for us. What is this one? Okay. So this we can call it as what the pip file. Okay. So this pip file is monitoring everything. Everything means what are the packages is required, what are the libraries is required to to execute what this project. Okay. So right click here, you can open with a notepad. Okay. So now we can see which requires a Python 3.12 version is required. And what are the packages we have installed? Django, any version is fine. Star means any version is fine. Okay. Now, see, I'm creating what a simple project. Yes, I'm creating what a simple project. Now we can see. Step 3, creating a project. See how you can create the project. Now we can see VENV I am writing, which means what? A virtual environment. Okay. So let's copy this. Let's paste here. Okay. So here what exactly we can type and we can see everything. Okay. Hey, Django admin. So who is the Django admin actually? Django admin will do what? Okay, that we can see in the future classes. I wanted to start project. What is the project name? Facebook is my project name. That's it. A simple statement you can execute. Hey Django admin, I wanted to start a project. The project name is what? The Facebook. That's it. You can see. Okay. So in the background, you can see in the background, a lot of the stuff is there. You can see some automatically code files will be generating for us. Hey Django admin, Django dash admin. I wanted to start what? A project. The project name is what? The Facebook. Just press enter. Now we can see Facebook folder is created. Facebook project folder is created with the many files. Sir, here only we are able to see the files. No, you can enter the another Facebook folder. You can see here multiple files is created for has. Even the code also is ready-made code you will get. Okay, fine. So this is what a simple how to create the project. How to create the project. That's it. Hey Django admin, I wanted to start a project Facebook. So after that, Facebook folder is created with multiple files. With multiple files. Step 4. Enter into project. See how you can enter into the project. Just copy this. VNV means virtual environment name. See how you can enter into the project location means simple. CD space Facebook. You can see. Okay. CD space Facebook. Which means exactly what happened here. So you have entered into the Facebook location folder. Okay. So that's it. Now we can see you're inside the Facebook. Okay. So now we can see type dir. You will get what the two files you will get. You see here manage.python file as well Facebook folder. The same folder you can observe here. Okay. Now, so your location will be changing to this particular location, VENV, and this is your location. And after that, how you can create the applications? How you can create applications? See, I'm not understanding what is the applications actually. So here we are creating what the project we are creating. The project we can work right happily. See, again, what is this application? Okay, I can tell you. I can come with one idea. So now we can see, just copy this. Okay. For each and every project, now we can say this is a project. For each and every project, you should have what? One manage.python file. This file is managing what your project. In your project, you can add the applications. In your project, you can run the project. You can stop the project. Anything it is possible by using the manage.python file only. Okay. So now we can see, I am writing the code. How you can create the applications. You can see in the background, let me create a file. Hey Python, you can type the entire Python or you can type py also. You can type the both commands is what same. You can type the entire Python or py. Manage.py. I wanted to start application charting. Just press enter. You can see charting folder is created with the multiple files you can see. You can see models, test cases, views, admins, migrations. Okay. Now, again, you see, hey Python, manage.py. I just wanted to start application video call. You can see video call folder is created with the multiple files. In the same way, hey Python, manage.py, I just wanted to create the application Reels. So you can observe Reels folder is created with the multiple files. Okay. So I will come to discuss all the things. Let's see. So here, this is you don't need to write the entire thing. VNV is fine. VENV is the virtual environment name. Okay. See, charting application is created, video calls application is created, Reels application is created. See, I'm not understanding all the things. All the applications easily we can get in the Facebook, right? Facebook project. See, why again you are creating the applications? I can come to and I will explain. Let's see. So first, this is what the Facebook project. Facebook project. Okay. So in a Facebook project, defaultly, I am coming with the application name is what the charting application. CHATTING charting. And after that, I came with the video call application, charting app. After that, I came with what? Video call app. And after that, I have introduced what the Reels application. Reels. See, all where it is available the location of what the Facebook project. In the Facebook project, all the applications is available. See, why I am writing this diagram and everything explanation. Suppose in the future, Facebook project is not interested with the Reels application. This Facebook project is not interested with the Reels application. Simple. You can delete this folder. Delete this folder. If you are deleting the Reels application, our Facebook project will not be disturbed. Chatting application happily will work. Even video call also will happily work. Just simple. You see here, the folder is created. You can see Reels application is created. Just delete this folder. That's it. Your application happily will work. Suppose in the tomorrow you wanted to integrate with the another application like the advertisement, no problem. You can create the app like advertisement app. You can create ADV app. You can create, and after creating, you can connect. That's it. Which means you can come with the new features or you can delete some old features. A new application you can add, a new old applications you can delete. The feature, we can see this is a real good feature. Okay, even files also is not disturbing the other project. Suppose Reels application is not disturbing the charting. Reels application is not disturbing the video call also. Simple, delete the folder. That's it. Just delete the folder. Just delete the folder. That's it. Entire your application, entire single 0.01 percentage also there is no disturbance. You can see. So this is the power of the actually Django. Okay, fine. So, sir, okay, fine. So here I have created Reels application. I have created separately. Let me disconnect here. Disconnect. The very first I am disconnecting. Okay. So my question here it is what the Facebook project. Okay, fine. Now we can see this is the Facebook project. Okay. And now we can see charting folder you have created separate. In the video call also separate. You see here video call also separate. Reels application also separate. But how Facebook project will understand all the applications are belongs to Facebook project? How the project will understand actually? Okay. So for that we have to edit three statements. We have to edit 3 lines. We have to edit 3 lines only. That's it. Three single statements we can write here. Okay. So fine. 1 minute. How it will understand? How the Python project will understand all the applications is belongs to what a Facebook project only. Okay. So now uh, we required a software. Visual Studio Code is fine. VS Code is very fine. Just download here. Windows version. Okay, it is downloading. Says download is finished. So let me install the Visual Studio Code. Okay, fine. Launch visual. You don't need to launch this one. Fine. Now, so here, opening the visuals code is one part, and adding a project to this Visual Studio Code is what the second part. 1 minute. One minute. Themes, color theme, light. Okay. So now we can see your Visual Studio Code is ready. See how you can open the project here. This is really risky thing. Okay. So I can tell you a simple shortcut. I can tell you very simple shortcut. Step 5. Step 6. How to edit the code. Simple. See, already you are in the same virtual environment project location, you can see. So in the virtual environment, CBIT, your project is what the Facebook, right? Simple. Okay. CODE code, which means you wanted to write the code. In the entire system, which software is having the highest intelligence, see, that software, it automatically will come. When it will come, space dot. Dot represents what the automatic intelligence. Okay. Code space dot, just press enter. What happened? Code is not recognized. Code dot. I don't know why it is not working here. Uh, it actually has to work. Code space dot enter. Okay, but just now I have like in the last day only I have installed what the operating system. But 100% is in your Windows 10, Windows 11, it is 100% will work. Code space. You wanted to write the code space dot enter. Automatically your project means entire Facebook folder, this entire Facebook project will be opened with the Visual Studio Code. It automatically will come. The same location, code space dot, automatically project will be opened with the VS Code. Okay. So I will check with that issue. So open a folder. So my folder is what? In the E drive, CBIT, Facebook, just select the folder. Now we can see. Okay. So here Facebook is what the project, chatting is the application, Reels is the application, and video calls is the application. Suppose if you are executing a mini project, by seeing the folders, we can't recognize what is the project, what is the application. We are having the multiple folders when you are executing a mini project or anything. See how you can understand the project folder. Okay. Now we can see application folder is not having the settings.python file. You can see Reels application also is not having the settings.python file. Charting application also is not having the settings.python file. Settings.python file will be available only on the project location. You see here settings.python file, which means what? Our project. That's it. Okay. So now click the settings.python file. Okay. So now we can see it is asking to install the Python. No problem. Click the install. So automatically the installation will be successful after a few minutes. So you can forget about that now. See what is this code? Sorry. Okay, that I can see later. See, now we can see we are not understanding already ready-made code is available. You can see here. Okay. So I can explain to you each and every line also I can explain to you. First, let's see. Okay. Okay. So at the very first, you can understand the line. Okay. So this is what the comment. This we can call it as what the document comment. Okay. So document comment means we are having the three dots, three columns. Three columns is what the document comment. And now we can see from the path library. Path means folder location. Folder location. That's it. Okay. So now we can see path is available. Okay, fine. So base directory. Directory means what? The entire folder. Okay. So this is the entire folder location the people are using. And after that, what is the security key? Okay. For each and every project, we are getting a confidential secret key we are getting. This secret key is changing from your project to my project and any project also. In your system also, suppose if you are having the multiple projects, 100% the security key will be the different. Okay. So now we can see this security key where we have to use actually. Okay. So this security key we have to use in the production environment only. Production environment means if you are delivering this project to the clients, okay, so that particular moment only this security key we have to use. Now we can see keep the security key, okay, keep the secret key used in the production environment only. That's it. Okay, so really this key is very important. In anywhere we should not use this and more. Debug equal to true. What is this? Suppose if you are writing a code, suppose if you are getting any problem, the error will come. Error message will come when the debug equal to true. Suppose if you are writing the debug equal to false, the error message you won't get. If you are not getting the error message, no one will understand. Okay. So that is the reason debug equal to true when we have to use, if you are developing what any project, that particular moment only we have to use what the debug equal to true we have to use. That's it. In the each and every situation, we should not use the debug equal to true. Okay. So here the statement here it is there, you see, don't run with the debug turned on. Turned on means what? The true in the production environment. Okay. Allowed host. Allowed host means suppose you are buying any domain services like // shadi.com. On that particular domain only this project has to come. Okay. So the IP address you can specify here like 192.168.0.1. Some port number you can give. So that's it. On this particular port number only this project will be running. That's it. Okay. So this is the commentary. This is the value regarding to what? Allowed host. Now, installed apps. So what is installed apps? See, already we have discussed like fully loaded. Fully loaded means Django is coming with the multiple applications freely, right? These are the applications. Admin, authentication, sessions, messages, statics. But just now we have created the three applications, right? Chatting application, video call application, Reels application. You can identify the folders also. You can see in the E drive location, CBIT folder, Facebook folder, charting application is available, Reels application is available, video calls application is available. That how our project will understand Facebook project, how it will understand all the things simple. So here you have to come, you have to specify charting. That's it. Automatically charting application is related to the Facebook. And you can specify the what video call. Now we can see. See, automatically video call applications is belongs to what? Facebook. In the same way, you can specify what? Uh, what I have written, Reels. That's it. Only the three statements you can write. See, automatically our project will understand all the applications. Okay. So this you can write in the next statement, step 7. Step 7. How how created applications is find by the Facebook project. It's any project. Okay. So click folder, Facebook, click settings.python file, settings.python file, find installed apps. You can see here, find installed apps. Okay. So here automatically some code will be coming for you that you should not delete and everything. Just you can update this line. I am writing in the comment, update this line. Update this line. That's it. See, automatically charting project will be known to the Facebook. In the same way, video call also will be known to the Facebook. In the same way, Reels also will be known to what the Facebook. That's it. And what is this middleware? So you see here, this is a list topic. You can see list topic. Okay. In the same way, this is also list topic. You can say list list topic, which means what the Python code. Okay. And moreover, what is this middleware means? Django is providing what highly reassuringly securing, right? That is the concept only here. Django is coming with the middleware security, session security, common CSRF token, middleware clickjacking, all these things we can call it as what? Security things. Even you don't need to write the code also. And root URL. Root URL means amazon.com/something you will get like labs like laptops mobile slash latest. Okay, so there where it is available in the Facebook. Now we can say Facebook, which means what? The Facebook folder. Dot means entered. URLs means a file name. Now we can see Facebook is a folder. Enter dot URLs. We can see here URLs. You can identify the URLs Python file. So here you can access what all the things you can access, all the URLs you can specify here. That's it. Double double dot slash something is required, dash something is required. You can specify here. Okay. So this will represent what? URLs will represent. Okay. So what is this templates? So templates means suppose if you wanted to work with the HTML files, CSS files, so that particular location, directory folder location, you can specify here like HTML files, you can folder name, you can specify here. That's it. Directories, DIRS. If you are creating a HTML resources folder is available, right? That resources folder you can specify here. That's it. Okay. So, but we are not using any resources. So what is this Debless GA application? This is what actually server. So this is really is not usable. Now, databases. Now we can see in the Java, we are having a concept. Every time we have to connect with the JDBC connection. uh, like connection con statement is required, like URL colon, JDBC colon, username, password, and every time we required what are these statements. If you wanted to update, if you wanted to insert, if you wanted to delete, for each and every statement, we have to connect with what the connection is required. Okay. And here you no need to specify the connection in the each and every folder location. For insert into command connection, deletion connection, updation connection, every time it is really not required. Only one time you can specify the database name and the database. Suppose if you are having the username, you can specify the username. If you are having the password, you can specify the password. If you are having the host address also you can specify. Only one time, entire project, only one time you can specify the database name, username, password. That's it. Okay. So the database concept we may discuss in the very next class, how you can connect with the databases. See, what is this authentication password validators? See, already we have discussed it. You no need to write for the login system, password validation and everything. Here is automatically ready. Even you no need of writing the JavaScript code also. Now we can see common password validator. Here it is available. Minimum length password validator is available. Entirely numeric password is available. Similar password validator here is available. You can see. When you no need to write the code also. And after that, this is the real stuff. This is really not required. Languages, time zone, okay, all these things. Static means, so here you can specify the images, JavaScript files, and CSS files you can specify here. Okay. So that's it. This is what the latest concept. The database is adding what the big size also it is accepting, which is added with the latest concept to 5.0. Fine. So now we can see each and every line also I have explained here for you. Okay, fine. Okay, this concept is ready. I'm happy for that. But how to check the Django is what really working or not? How to check Django is really working or not? Now we can see, I can tell you. Okay. So go to the same location. Go to the same location. We can see, hey, Python, manage.py. See here. This manage.python file only. You can see here, this manage.python file only is managing the entire project. Okay. So you can observe here, hey, Python, manage.py, run server. That's it. Your project is successfully started. And before that, we have to discuss some few scenarios we have to discuss. Okay. For each and every user, first time you will get, this is not the error actually, it's a warning actually. Okay. Hey, Python manage.py run server. Just copy this run server. Okay. You can see you having 18 unapplied migrations, which means what errors? 18 errors is available. Your project may not work properly. You can see here, may not work properly until apply what all these migrations for admin authentication content sessions. You can see here admin. Okay. And you can see the solution also here it is there. Run Python manage.py migrate. That's it. Your project, the problem will be resolved. But no problem. Your project is what successfully started. The development server, this is the server location you can see. Okay. So if you are using a Windows 11 system, just click the control button and click here. Click this command prompt also is supporting what the link statement is supporting in the Windows 11. Just click the control button and click here. Automatically the browser will be open. Otherwise, copy the statement. Open the browser normally. Just paste here. Just press enter. You can see the installed work successfully. Congratulations. Which means what the Django installation is what the successful. Okay. Now we can see debug equal to true, which means what if you are having the any error, you will get here. Okay, fine. So now Django is coming with a lot of the applications freely, right? Now we can say just slash here, just slash, just to type the admin, just press enter. Now we can see your login page also is ready. You can see username is there, password is there, admin panel also is ready. And type the username admin, password also I am typing the admin, just login. Now we can see we are getting the error. Why we are getting the error means because we don't have any database table. You see, we are not having any table. How the customer will log in? Even I don't know, database is required. Without the database, how the customer can log in? So, but if you see the code, what is the database we are using here? Just see the database. So this is what the free database, Lite SQLite 3 is what the free database like the Pukkad we are getting freely. Okay. So you can observe in the folder location. Now we can see a separate folder file is created for us db.sqlite3. Okay. So fine. This is all about how you can create the application. 1 minute. How you can create, see how you can activate the, see how to create or activate the virtual environment. After activating, check how to check Django installed or not in your machine. Okay. And how you can create the project, how to enter into the project, how you can create the application, how to edit the code, and how the created applications will be identified by the project. You can update these 3 lines, and how you can run the server actually. And one more thing, see, we have not installed any server. How we are running the server? See, Django, by, see, in the Java, we are having the Apache, like Glassfish, like lot of the servers is available. But in the Python, it is directly is coming with the default server. You no need to install any server. It's a default, it is coming with the server in Django. Okay. Create a project and application.
Sir, in db.sqlite, we are storing the database
No,
details,
no,
right?
no, no, no. Yes, yes. Here the database we are getting what the freely we are getting free, like hooked. But we are connecting. We can connect with the Oracle database, SQL database, even Postgres SQL, even MongoDB also we can connect. Okay, the database and how to connect with the database. Suppose in the Java programming language, if you wanted to connect with the Oracle, we required a OJDBC 14.jar file is required. In the same way, if you wanted to connect with the MySQL connector.jar file is required. Okay. But here we don't require any file, but we have to execute one statement we have to execute. By executing that, automatically file will be downloaded. You no need to working on that file also. So that thing we can see in the very next class.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, in the Java, we required something, lot of the stuff. But reality, if you write at least 30, 40 lines, if you write the code, your project will be finished. 30, 40 lines of code, your entire project will be finished. The thing, you have to understand the logic. File link concept is required. We have to connect the 2, 3 files. Even you no need to create the files also. Automatically files also is there. Okay. Even you no need to work with the database concept also. Automatically database, tables and everything will be created for us. Even you no need to write the command of insert into update command. Everything is really not required. But really logic, how one file is connecting with the another file and that file is connecting with the another file. If you understand the logic, the Django is what the finish it. That's it. Okay. That we will see in the
Yes.
very next class. So at the very first, I'm sharing the notes of Django introduction, and after that, Django installation, first virtual environment, and after that, Django installation, and after that, how you can create the project as well application, how you can run. First, let me share this. Okay. So whatever we have discussed, I have shared with this. I think she's Revati madam.
Yeah, sir, I got that.
Fine. So you people can share the document. Okay. Suppose if you are executing any issues while you are executing, suppose if you are facing the any problem, okay. So you can ping me. I can give you a solution to you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But if you wanted to understand the flow, you have to practice at least once. If you do the once, you
Yes.
will get the entire thing. Suppose if you are listening only, 100%
Mm.
is you have to face the situation. At least to practice once. That's it. One time is more enough for you, I think.
Okay, sir.
So fine. Is it fine? Shall I close the session?
Yes, for me it is okay, sir.
Okay, fine.
Tomorrow I will try to answer. And if I have any doubts, I will
Okay.
ask you.
Okay. Akash as well, Navya, you are getting the thing, what I am teaching? Navya as well, Akash, are you there? Okay, so I think they are busy. Okay, fine. Someone is okay, fine, Navya. Okay. So fine. I think tomorrow we don't have class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
So advanced happy new
Okay.
year.
Thank you, sir. Same to you.
Fine, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. This MANAC Infotech, I don't know the name. I think Rupa madam is there, so she will disconnect.
Okay. So you can
I'm the co-host only. I'm unable to end the entire session. The video is recording.
okay, okay, sir.
Okay.